The Kanwar Yatra 2026 has now concluded, bringing an end to one of the biggest annual pilgrimages across northern India. For days, millions of Kanwariyas walked along highways and pilgrimage routes carrying sacred Ganga water on their shoulders and chanting Bol Bam and Har Har Mahadev. With the holy water now offered to Lord Shiva on Savan Shivratri, the long journey has reached its destination. But the images of faith, endurance and community spirit continue to tell the story of this year's Yatra. Here's a look. The roads that were once filled with waves of saffron, decorated kanwars and the chants of devotees are now gradually returning to their usual rhythm. The Kanwar Yatra 2026 has concluded after millions of Kanwariyas completed their journey from the Ganga Ghats to Shiva temples in their respective hometowns. At Haridwar, over 4 crore devotees had departed carrying holy Ganga water during the pilgrimage. For days, these devotees walked kilometers together, carrying not just the kanwar on their shoulders but a deeply rooted tradition of faith. And on Savan Shivratri, the sacred water was offered to Lord Shiva, marking the culmination of the Yatra. Across the pilgrimage route, the spirit of devotion was equally visible in Ayodhya, where a wave of faith swept the city as Kanwariyas took a holy dip in the Saryu River.
हम तो बस्ती से आए हैं, हम शाम में निकले थे। अब रात में जो है जल भर के हम लोग जो है वापसी जाएंगे। लाखों की संख्या में लोग आए हैं और हम लोग तो 50 लोग आए हैं।
For a Kanwariya, the journey is measured not only in kilometers but also in determination. Walking for days, resting at temporary camps and continuing despite the challenges of the road, devotees followed a tradition that many undertake year after year. Some travelled in groups, others walked with families and friends, but the destination remained the same, offering the sacred Ganga water at Shiva temples. With those final offerings, the long-awaited moment of completion arrived. And before beginning that final leg of their journey, large numbers of Kanwariyas gathered at the Shashwamedh Ghat to collect Ganga water for Jalabhishek, carrying with them the faith and determination to complete the sacred pilgrimage.
हम यहाँ से जल भरकर काशी बनारस के लिए रवाना होंगे। यहाँ का माहौल देखते हुए बहुत उत्साह हो रही है और भारी प्रशंसा हो रही है। और बाबा की नगरी में जाने के बाद वहाँ का माहौल कैसा है, क्या है, सारा चीज़ देखेंगे।
The massive pilgrimage also brought together thousands of people working behind the scenes. Across the routes, volunteers arranged food, drinking water and resting spaces for the devotees. Medical teams remained available for emergencies, while police and traffic personnel managed crowded routes and helped maintain the movement of both pilgrims and vehicles. For days, these efforts formed an important support system around the Kanwariyas. And as the pilgrims completed their journey, these temporary arrangements too began winding down. But beyond the arrangements and the crowds, every Kanwariya carried a personal prayer and a hope for a better future. For many, the journey was as much about seeking blessings for their dreams as it was about completing the pilgrimage.
बोले हमने ये मनोकामना मांगी थी, हम पढ़ लिख के नेवी में लग जाएं, मर्चेंट नेवी में, पानी के जहाज में। हमारे घर के राजी हों हमसे, बढ़िया हम पढ़े लिखे हैं और बढ़िया हम नाम रोशन करें घर के इनका।
Now, the kanwars have been placed down, the sacred water has been offered and the pilgrims are heading back home. The roads may be quieter, but the journey has left behind powerful images of devotion on foot, communities coming together and millions following a tradition passed down through generations. The Kanwar Yatra 2026 has concluded. The journey is over, but for the devotees, the faith continues. Bol Bam, Har Har Mahadev.